like LA. So I do not like flying and try and avoid it if I can, but one of the things I was looking forward to with this journey was seeing the Himalayas from the plane. But I didn't realise that Lay's airport is also controlled by the military, so for that reason the windows had to be closed the whole time, so I didn't get to see anything. I did peek a little bit, but I didn't film it because I didn't want to get put in military jail. I arrived at the airport at 6 a.m. I was pretty groggy and confused, and I couldn't really find a way to get a taxi at first. Then I went to one of these stands and I booked one for 600 rupees, which is quite expensive for a taxi in India, but I understand because the season is so short in Leh that taxi drivers have to charge a bit more. How do I say thank you here? Is it Dhanyavad or?
To thank you, then you say Ot and Ju.
Ot Ju.
Ot Ju. Yeah.
And how do I say hello?
Hello means Jule.
How do I say please?
Juju.
Juju. Okay. Jule. Ot Ju.
Juju.
Juju. Okay. I'm gonna try and remember this. I've just been in Delhi. This is like a different world. A nice taxi driver told me how to say thank you. Otju, please, Juju. And hello, I can't remember what hello is. Oh, it's so beautiful. Wow, this is like the complete opposite of Delhi. I got to my hostel at about 7 a.m. I checked in and immediately fell asleep. So I got to my hostel and I felt this huge ringing in my ears, so I just had a sleep and it's gone now. So maybe that's altitude sickness, or maybe that's just me being tired, I don't know. But I feel much better now. And I'm gonna go and explore Leh after some breakfast. I just opened the door of my hostel and a cow walked past. This is so lovely. Right, so I'm gonna head into the town and I might get a SIM card. Very exciting. And try some butter tea. A friend of mine who's been here says that the butter tea is very nice. And just explore a little bit, I guess. I did sleep for 4 hours, but feeling a bit, out of it. For those who don't know, Leh is in Ladakh, which is on the border with Tibet, and because of this, Buddhism is the main religion in the area, and you see many beautiful prayer wheels like this one, and prayer flags, and ancient monasteries, which I'll be exploring in my next video. I was just walking along and there was a car behind me. It didn't hoot at me. That's the first time that hasn't happened. Oh, now one just hooted. I was just going to say that's the first time that's happened to me. Being in Delhi and being in Cairo, you get hooted at all the time, even if you're not even in the way. Thank you very much. It kind of tastes like a cheesy breadstick. Maybe there's not cheese in it. Maybe there's butter. It's nice. Now I didn't know it at the time, but the music you can hear is actually coming from the Gurdwara, which I will visit in my next video with a friend of mine. I like that shop name. That's what it said on the tin. One of the things that really struck me on coming to Leh was how different the culture felt to Delhi. Obviously it's still India and there's still Indian culture, but there's also Tibetan culture and Chinese culture, and you can also see elements of maybe Central Asian culture as well. There's quite a strong military presence in Leh. I wasn't sure whether this was just normal or whether it was because of the current situation with Pakistan and our proximity to Kashmir. I was looking for a SIM card, but actually maybe I don't need one. I just wanted one if I did hikes. Maybe I can get one if I do that. Right now it's quite good to just have a bit of a break from the phone. It's so cool. I know I'm like kind of tired, so I'm in like a bit of a trance anyway, but it does feel really special. I love how it's just like this mix of different cultures. I love places like that. There are lots of these really simple looking hairdressers. I think I might go to one. I think it would be fun. Wow.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
And there we use the ink here, vegetable colors. After that, we are doing the embroideries.
Wow.
It's called the kalamkari. I will show you what is the pashmina, what is the cashmere. See, it becoming the thread like this.
Okay.
That means there's a mix one. When you hear becoming thread out, it becoming like, you know, wool.
Ah, yeah.
It's like same like that.
Ah.
See.
So
It's
this
not
is
a string,
pashmina.
This is the pashmina.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Otju.
Sorry?
Like thank you is Otju?
Jule.
Jule. Well, after trying and failing to practice my Ladakhi, I went and explored the narrow, windy streets of Leh. I then thought I'd try and go up to the stupa, which was probably a bit of a mistake considering I had just arrived and my altitude sickness wasn't great. It's so narrow. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. Okay, I'll go up to the stupa. My phone just died, which means that I can't find my way home. Well, I guess I'll have to try and retrace my steps. The only thing is it's like a maze here. So. Well, there's nothing I can do about that. I was taking too many pictures. Okay, how am I going to find my way home? I remember this. So I must have come along this road. I think it's up here. I don't think I can get down this way unless I have a magic carpet or something. I'll have to go back down. I'll find it eventually, won't I? I should have been paying attention. It was worth it though, it's beautiful. Another really lovely thing here is that you can like smell incense everywhere. It's very atmospheric. It's nice smelling incense like outdoors as well. It's not heavy at all, it's just like on the wind. Look at that ladder! Ooh. It's pretty hot here actually in the daytime. I thought it was going to be very chilly, but I'm hot. Equally, I have been walking up lots of hills. I think I'm actually doing quite well with my directions. Here are the flags we saw. Now there's like a little cut up, isn't there? Yeah, this is it. I don't even need my phone. It tricks you into thinking that you need it, but actually you could just use your mind most of the time. Maybe like 40% of the time. I'm glad I had my phone in Delhi. I would still be walking around that old Delhi area if I didn't have my phone. That's the thing, is like I've never really travelled without my phone. I guess when I first moved to London I didn't have a smartphone. I just had A to Z. But ever since then I've always just been like in my phone. And like travelling with your phone, I think really changes travelling. It's amazing in so many ways, but it makes everything easier, which I think means that you like maybe talk to less people and you get lost less. And sometimes when you get lost, you know, you find really cool things. And yeah, talking to people, you know, that's how you have cool experiences. Yeah, maybe I should try and do a trip without my phone one time. But I just like to know that I can talk to people if I need to, you know. I think it's up here. Yes, I remember this. It's useful, there are so many beautiful landmarks here. You remember the like prayer wheels. I remember I read a book about a woman who cycled from Ireland to India, I think. This was in like the 1960s. So she didn't have any phones or anything, obviously, or even like normal phones, I think. And just had to, like, you know, send letters to people once every 3 months. Yes, it's a completely different experience of travelling. Everything's so much easier now. This lovely cow. Oh, I love that the cows here are able to roam around. It's beautiful, especially after being in Egypt for quite a long time. I live opposite a butcher's, and it's pretty upsetting. Oh, so it's nice to see cows having a good time somewhere. You know what's creepy? Despite my phone being dead and absolutely of no use to me, I'm still holding it in my hand. It's an addiction.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? Hello. No photo. No photo. I think maybe the lady was a little bit wacky. She said she wanted a photo, and then I was like, okay, and now she's screaming. I don't know what went on. I hope I haven't like offended her. Found a hostel, yay! So I had a rest in a hostel. It's now like 8:30. I'm going to go and find some food, and I'm also going to go to the market and buy some shampoo and conditioner. Very exciting. Hello. Okay, I was having dinner too. This looks like they might sell shampoo. Something I did notice on going to the pharmacy was how much more expensive cosmetics and stuff were. I don't know whether this is just that pharmacy or perhaps because things have to get like flown in. I was chatting to the girl on reception at my hostel. It's really lovely. Recommended a restaurant to go to, so I'm going to go and check that out now. This is it, Decambia. Oh, this is pretty cool. I'm getting Thenthuk, which is a traditional Ladakh dish, which is like soupy flat pasta, veggies, local cheese and peas. And I'm getting a butter tea. I haven't had a butter tea yet, so that's exciting. Yeah, it's like a bit salty and buttery. Oh, it's really nice. Perfect for like cold nights. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, that was genuinely delicious. Not too heavy, and it's fresh, and it has greens in it. Oh, perfect. And it's local. It's like a thing I've never tried before. Something noisy is happening. I just chatted with the lady who runs the cafe, Dome, I think her name is. Very, very nice, friendly person. Yet again, my phone has died, so I'm gonna have to work out how to get back. But I think I know my way now. My first day in Leh was amazing. I love this place. I think I want to stay here for a long time. Thanks very much for watching from me and this beautiful cow. tune in tomorrow for more adventures. Bye! In my next video I meet my friend Naini, who shows me all around her favourite places in Leh on a kind of whistle stop tour. It's really fun and we go and explore lots of local places that I wouldn't have otherwise gone to. Thanks very much for watching and please subscribe if you want to, and see you next time. Bye! Very tasty.